317 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. And the war is still going on. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday, August the 19th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars, Sudoku, and binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. The first one I will do is the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, correction, 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 911 9119. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Yeah, 26. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 9. We have 1 and a 9 in this big square. So no 1 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 2 and a 3 in the second row. No 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then let me see. There's a lot of 9s. Yeah. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot down. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column. So the column between. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 in the third row. No 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. Alright. Then 9, 9. Now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, only place left for the 6 should be there. Now I can continue with the 9. 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 6 and a 7. We have a 6 now in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. He's missing 2. He's missing the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. He's missing 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 in that first column. No 1 there. The only place level 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 8. 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Oh, wait. How about the number 6, 6, 1, 1. 4 and 7. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 7. I need a 4 here. How about 5? Let me think. 1, 1. Well. 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 1, 8, 7. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. You have all the ones? Nope. Need a 1 here. Need 7 there. But the 3. Come on. You 2 here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only place left, the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. These are number 2. 3, 4. 3, 4, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright, now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah, one number left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, one number left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair here in this column. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4, and the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in the last row. No 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 digit left now in the middle column for number 7. Then, here, so 4 and a 5 are left. Here, need a 3 here, okay. Need an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left the 4, 8 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes. And it finished in 13 minutes. Well, I thought maybe I need more time for solving this puzzle. 30 minutes should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzles. I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.